Web scraping. Well, web scraping is a technique which is used to extract data from websites using software. So just like how a spider crawls website and collect information, web scraping involves sending requests to websites, reading their content, and then extracting the data you need. For example, imagine you want to collect the latest movie titles and release date from a particular movie website. So you could manually visit the website, copy and paste that information into a spreadsheet, and then do the same for every update. So web scraping will automate this process by using a Python script to send a request to the website, read its content and extract the data you need automatically. So today we will understand how to scrap data from the website using a Python code. So this is all about the web scraping, and this is the code which we shall use. So for scraping data, Python script is shared that uses two popular libraries. First is the request and then a beautiful soap to send a request to the website, parse its HTML content and extract specific data using CSS selectors. So first of all, we will install Beautiful Soap. So this line will install the Beautiful Soap package using the pip command, which is required for the rest of the script to work. Then we will import request from BS4 import Beautiful Soap. Well, these lines will import the required libraries, that is request for sending HTTP request to website and Beautiful Soap 4 for parsing HTML content. And then we will give the URL of the website which you want to scrap data from. So here for the example purpose, we have taken the website mutetulip.com, and then response, that is request.getURL. Well, this line will send an HTTP GET request to the specified URL using this request library, and then we will use the soap beautiful soap command. Well, this line will parses the HTML content which is received in the response using beautiful soap library, and the resulting object is stored in the soap variable. Then we have this headings, that is the soap.find all h1. Well, this line will find all the HTML elements with the tag h1, that is the headings, and will store them in the headings variable. Then for heading in headings, well, this line will create a loop that iterates through each heading element found in step 6. Now we will print heading.text. Well, this line will print the text content of each heading element, providing the user with the text found in headings on the website. And then we will use links, that is soap.findAllA. Well, this line will find all the HTML elements with the tag a links and store them in the links variable. Then for link in links, this line will create a loop that iterates through each element. Then print link.gethref. Well, this line will print the href attribute of each link element, providing the user with the URLs contained in the links on the website. So whenever you'll run this website on the Google Colab, you'll get the result like this. So to summarize this, we can say that this script sends a request to the website, parses its HTML content and extracts specific data using CSS selectors. And the results are then displayed on the console for the user to see. Okay, thank you.